Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show the next One UI 8 beta update available on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in India. So you can check on your Samsung device if you are running the Android 8 beta version for this update. So open the app drawer, go to settings. Here you can see the software update is available option, or you can scroll down until the software update at the bottom. Tap on it, tap on a download and install. Here you can see the software update. Here we push the update, so you can see the version 1UI8 Z by GB. Here you can see the bugs that have been fixed in this latest Samsung One UI 8 beta update. One UI version 8.0, Android version 16, size 1328.16 MB, and security patch level 1 July 2025. So if you have any Samsung device running the One UI 8 beta, you can check for this One UI 8 beta update on your Samsung device. Here you can see the list of bug fixes on these. Added Samsung IMS service emergency update feature to support the high quality HD voice, HD video, and enhance the chat service on the Galaxy device. Also, notification or pop-up may occur for IMS service update and restart the concept to test this feature. Second is the added support for a full screen switching while playing video using the DeX mode on your Samsung device. Fix an operational issue with the Galaxy AI reply suggestion. Fix a loading issue when Bixby routine commands are triggered via voice. Fix a display issue in the quick launch icon area on the lock screen. Fix an issue with the editing iNavi dashcam video in the gallery app. Fix an issue where the message fingerprint sensor not responding appear on the lock screen. Fix an issue with the outgoing calls when attempting swipe to call from the contact list with the talkback enable. Fix a flickering issue of the vertical or horizontal level indicator when switching from front to the rear camera. The last one is the enhanced software stability through update to multiple applications. Here you can see the app updates. After the update, Samsung apps can be updated to the latest one. Here you can see which application to update. So if you have any Samsung S25 Ultra, any other Samsung S25 Plus, S25 or Samsung Z Fold 7, any other Samsung device running the One UI 8 beta, you can check if available this update or not on your phone. That's it. If you like it, share it.